Ang daming salespeople burnout. Hindi dahil kulang sa leads, pero dahil kulang sa clarity. Not all leads are worth your time. Hindi mo na-filter itong mga ito, ikaw ang mauubos. Gusto mo bang malaman bakit kahit ang dami mong kausap, konti lamang ang nabebenta mo? Simple lang, not all leads are worth your time, and yet you're spending so much time with unqualified leads. Alam mo, sa sinulat kong libro na ang pangalan ay Seal the Deal, there was an entire chapter on appointment setting. And one of the things that I teach about it is this: stop chasing everyone. Start choosing the right one. May mga kliyente ka na curious lang. May iba, di naman talaga ready. Kung hindi mo ka marunong mag-filter at hindi mo na-filter itong mga ito, ikaw ang mauubos. Kaya kailangan mo malaman ang certain strategies katulad ng Noman. Kung gusto mo malaman yung Noman, check mo na lang sa aking libro na Seal the Deal. Kasi kapag ito ay hindi mo alam, you don't know when to walk away. In sales, discernment beats desperation. Ang daming salespeople burnout. Hindi dahil kulang sa leads, pero dahil kulang sa clarity. If you want to stop wasting your time and start closing aligned clients and multiply your profit and revenue in the process, let me show you how real pros seal the deal. Sabi ko nga, gumawa na ako ng libro para dito. Gumawa na ako ng mga programa para sa'yo. It's time for you now to take action and access these very powerful resources.